How to solve rate limit exceeded Twitter problem. So if you want to solve rate limit exceeded Twitter problem, then what you need to do is just open up your Twitter application, or just simply tap and hold on to that Twitter application. Go with the app info. Now go with permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions. And after that, make sure that you allow the notifications, the camera, location, microphone, and everything. Once you allow the permissions and the notifications, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've tapped on that, now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store, or if you're using an iOS device, you can go with your App Store and go with search. And under search, you need to simply search for Twitter or just search for X. And then if you have any updates, you need to go with update, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then go and restart your device, and after restarting, it will be fixed. That's how you can solve rate limit exceeded Twitter problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.